No, iPhone. Oh, yeah, no. This color is. Okay.
Sorry for the trouble, yeah.
No problem.
Pretty sure you know that it's working. But I don't come home and little black screen, you know.
So, for the scent.
Are you using Samsung or iPhone?
No, iPhone. Oh, yeah, no. This color is titanium
Very
black.
nice color, yeah. Nice
Yeah,
color.
titanium black. So I. Okay. Very nice.
Very nice, yeah.
Yeah,
So
very-
can you just try to open on the
Sure.
and that's all. That's all. But I want to see that it's
Yeah.
working.
Okay.
Sorry for the trouble, yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, so it looks good, yeah.
Yes. And then the size also is quite okay.
So that's all. I think
Nice.
I think we can stop the video.
Yeah. Wait, we just finish until it will appear the one. So nice. Okay, I think okay. Should be
Yeah,
enough.
yeah.